Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I have a question which says 93 squared. So to solve 93 squared, I'm going to show you the simple and easy trick I use to solve in seconds. So now our first digit is what? 9. We take 9 and we square it to get 81. So we write 81 on the side. The next digit here is 3. So we take 3 as well and square that and we get 9. We know 9 can be written as 09 this way. So we just combine 09 with our already stated 81. Now what do we do next? Our next move is what we always do. We multiply these two figures and multiply it by this exponent. Okay, so we have 9 times 3 giving us nothing else by 27 and times the exponent which is 2 giving us 54. So we write 54 here and our usual routine we add 0 and sum it up. So 9 plus 0 gives us 9 again. 4 plus 0 also gives us 4. 5 plus 1 gives us 6. And 8 maintains its position. Now 93 squared has been established as 8,649. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.